So, this is how the product looks like. My gosh, ang dami ko nalagay. So, ayan, as you can see, may redness yung aking face, a little bit of freckles, and may pimple marks. And this is the tinted sunscreen that we are going to use. Be Brave Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50. May skincare ingredients na Cica, niacinamide, and rose flower extract. And I'm using the shade Natural, but it's also available in the shade Fair if ikaw ay maputi, mestiza, or chinita. Anyway, this has tone adopt technology, so hindi kayo mahihirapan pumili ng shade. And let's do the two-finger method. Kasi yung mga napapanood ko, nahihirapan silang mag-blend ng product kapag masyadong marami daw yung nakalagay. So, this is how the product looks like. And let's apply it. Uy, mukhang madami. So, let's blend it. I will not cut this video para makita nyo talaga how the sunscreen blends. My gosh, ang dami ko nalagay. And syempre, usually I put it on my neck as well. So the shade looks a little darker on my skin kasi nga shade fair ako, pero dahil nag-beach tayo at may sunburn. What I like about this sunscreen is hindi siya mahapdi sa mata. Kasi for other sunscreen, di ba, ang hapdi sa mata. So even if we apply it here sa eyelids, hindi siya masakit. So ayan. Chika-chika habang nagbe-blend. Actually, this sunscreen is easier to blend kung layering yung gagawin natin. Yung konti-konti, tsaka natin i-blend. But nevertheless, ayan siya. So, ang feeling niya para ka ding nagmo-moisturize ng skin. Like I said, may rose flower extract and niacinamide to give you hydration. Ayan na, almost done na tayo. I'm looking at the screen. Wala pa tayong 2 minutes. And ganyan. Move natin. See? Blends out nicely. Even sa eyes. Kasi may mga natry akong sunscreen na may God, ang hapdi sa mata. Ito hindi. Ayan. Fully blended. Ayusin pa natin sa my nose, around the mouth. Ayan. And this is how it looks like. 2 fingers ang ginamit natin. Soft matte finish siya. Magaan sa skin, hindi malagkit, hindi lapot-lapot. And ayan, walang pamumuo na nagaganap. So kahit na spread mo siyang ganyan, yung parang walang libag-libag or yung peeling na tinatawag. It covered the redness. A little bit of my pimple marks are still peeking through. Pwede tayong mag-layering. We can add another layer because it's buildable. It really sets on my skin. Ang ganda ng finish. I-try natin tong shade Fair. Maybe just a few more pumps dito sa area na gusto kong i-highlight. So, ayan. This is the shade Fair. It looks maputi, pero pang-highlight natin here in the middle of the nose. Pag minix ko si Natural tsaka si Fair, perfect shade match ko na yon. So, ayan. It's buildable. Hindi siya namumuo-muo. Magaan siya sa skin. I love it. So, ayan. 2 fingers plus 2 more palms dito sa area na to. And ang gaan niya lang talaga sa skin.